Guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa, herzlich willkommen. Guys, welcome to this channel here. I give you a complete chart analysis here on XRP Ripple. Everything is based here on the chart, of course, and I show you here some very nice chart patterns. And yeah, why this breakout here is nothing special. Yeah, I don't want to kill your hope, or I also don't want to FOMO in. I show you all the price calls here for XRP, but that was also here very predictable that we see that coming here. Everything what I show you is based on the chart and not financial advice. Guys, if you're new to my channel, the main purpose is to educate you in trading. That's why we will dive here into chart techniques for XRP. But usually I talk here about short squeezes. Not only I talk about them, I already try to predict, or almost every week I try to predict short squeezes. I show you later in the video what I mean by that. Yo guys, my last video here for XRP was in April this year, 2024. And since I released my video, we squeezed 237%. And I will show you that there was a reason that I released the video here on that day, and that this is also not something which I didn't expect for XRP. The question is the squeeze over right now, or can we see much higher price levels incoming? I mean, Bitcoin looks super bullish, the whole market looks super bullish, everything is so green, right? Be careful, guys. So we check now here the chart, and by the way, the chart which you see now is the same chart which I already created in April and already created before April, so nothing changed here technically. Being that said, let's check the chart, guys, and this is the trading pattern for XRP. Very simple. I will switch now here to the weekly chart. It makes it more smooth to read that here. So guys, and here we go. Very simple chart. Even I will make this here a little bit more invisible for you, that you can just focus here on these two trend channels. So why I'm not surprised by that, guys. So there is a so-called overlaid trend channel pattern for XRP, which is controlling the price. So when the market makers see that the price is squeezing out here out of this trend channel, and especially over this top line here, that is the beginning of a huge sell-off reaction. For now, what we can see, we have here super bullish candles, and we already squeezed out of this trend channel. And I just said, be careful, guys, because we had the situation already once. We had the situation twice. Of course, everything looks super bullish, but don't forget who is doing or who creates these kind of bull runs here. This is everything by the market makers, guys. And why did I release my video in April? Before we talk here about the price levels, guys, why did I release my video in April? Because we traded here at the bottom of this bullish trend channel. So yes, overall I am absolute bullish here on XRP. The thing is that you don't want to FOMO in, you don't want to buy here in the very high price levels and then risk that you have a 50% loss or more in your position. I mean, we can just compare what happened here back in 2021 in April. You can see the top was here at around $2, and then yeah, suddenly the price dropped down here minus 73%. There was a small rebound. This is normal, guys. This is the so-called post squeeze. I call them the post squeezes, but you can see then the market maker stepped back in. So what does that mean, guys? We have, of course, here the potential to see much higher squeezes, even bigger than the squeeze here back in 2018. Why? Because we start to build here higher lows, guys. Yeah, we are here in an overall uptrend channel here. This trend channel here is supporting the price to the upside, but when you see squeezes like that, I call them unnatural market situation or unnatural market events, and this is what I honestly don't like, guys. Yeah, I don't like when you have these kind of straight lines, because the straight line to the upside cools off very quick as well. So be careful on that. So what we know is that the top trend channel line here is the resistance. So I will just extend that here a little bit for you, that you get a better picture here what we're talking about. So that does mean, guys, the market makers, yeah, the bearish market makers, I will show you here the bear case and the bull case. The bearish market makers will try to bring the price back below $1.32. They want to keep the price below back in this trend channel here. That's why I say, just because we squeeze here in this overlaid trend channel pattern, that doesn't mean that this is bullish, guys. Yeah, this is something what the market makers doing, accumulating their position, create some FOMO, maybe cover some naked, I don't know what they use for crypto, but in the stock trading we have naked shares and naked shorts. Maybe they also cover something like that here. That's why we have these kind of events. And as I said, yeah, this is not in coincidence, guys. They always get the lowest possible price, and you will never see such a squeeze happen without touching this kind of trend channel bottom, guys. This is now in the weekly chart, it's a little bit offset. In the daily chart it is more accurate, but you can see what I mean. Every time when we hit here, we have to hit here the lowest possible price before we see squeezes like that. So don't think that this is based on news or whatsoever, guys. I mean, do your own due diligence. That is possible, you know, believe what you want to believe, but this is not in coincidence that we always hit here the bottom of the trend channel before we see squeezes happen like that, right? So the situation, the trend channel build up here when we had the first squeeze in 2017, that was the base for my pattern here. And since then you can see that yes, at some point this trend channel top line can also be a support, but overall, as I said, so if we would see a crash, let's call it a crash today, or a huge sell-off, then usually the lowest possible price should be somewhere here in the 48-cent range for XRP. This is the lowest price, and before we talk about the highest price levels, guys, I released this video here on Sunday, and what I also do on every Sunday, guys, I release my so-called hot stock video. So if you also want to trade short squeeze stocks, or if you're open for short squeeze stock trading, which is in my opinion, it's the same, you know, the chart patterns are the same for crypto or stocks, it doesn't matter. But if you want to see these really volatile short squeeze plays, guys, I really recommend here to see those videos. So you can see we had here a 230% squeeze here in a few weeks. This is very, very good and very strong. But I also try to predict short squeezes here every week. And that's why I release here my hot stocks videos on every Sunday. You can see that we usually try to make here with one trade 100% profit or more in just one day. So that's why I try to predict short squeezes here. There is no guarantee, of course, but last week we had also 2 squeezes here. And after my hot stock video release, this ticker squeezed 173% in just 2 days, guys. This is a 4 hours chart here, by the way. And this ticker here at the same day squeezed 122%. The biggest squeezes which I had in October was this one here. We had just 1 day after I released this hot stock video on Sunday, we had an 854% squeeze. And then in September was even a bigger one. Of course, I hope that we see a bigger one now here in November or December. And here in September, we had a 1,400% squeeze. So you can see crypto is good. It's a good investment in my opinion. Very volatile. Yeah, you need to know what you do. But if you also want to see those secret short squeeze stocks, guys, you can join in here. Our trading community, the most popular membership which I have is the full package membership here on Patreon. You can see all the member benefits here, guys. And if you want to join in, you can click here on the info icon in the corner. Then you get access to this discount link, guys. Yeah. Sorry, to the Patreon member link. So it doesn't matter if you're a beginner or advanced trader, if you focus on crypto or stocks, everybody is welcome here to join in. Yo, guys, and the next thing here for XRP Ripple is, as I said, if we can find support at the top line of this trend channel, we have to be realistic. Yeah, we had the situation here just one time back in 2017. You can see only one weekly candle was able to find support here on the trend channel top line. Yeah, in a very bullish market situation, it is possible, guys. It is possible that we squeeze here back in the $3 range or even higher, but be realistic. That was just one time for 1 week in 2018. The next breakout attempt was in 2021, and we had a super bullish market in 2020 and 2021. And you can see that XRP hasn't been able to create a weekly candle above this trend channel line. So what is the situation today? Yes, we closed with this weekly candle over this trend line here, but not with a full candle body. Keep that in mind. We need a full candle body to confirm the support. And that's why I think, guys, yeah, when I'm realistic now, I think the price goal here, or latest here, $1.70 to $2, guys, is a very strong resistance for XRP. If we can squeeze over this price level here, I will draw that for you in the chart that you can see that. This is, I think, the price level where the market makers step in. For now, the market is super bullish. Yeah, that doesn't mean that we cannot squeeze higher than that. This is the price range. I will draw it even in red color because I think the market makers will try to pull the rug here. I mean, that just makes sense that we squeeze a little bit higher and that they pull the rug and we come back down here below $1.32 or even a little bit lower here based on the actual liquidity zone. So this is the bearish liquidity zone between $2 and $1.65. When we can squeeze over $2, guys, yeah, then honestly, even new all-time highs are possible because here is such a volatile zone that there is no real resistance. Yeah, we could even squeeze over $3.30 and create new all-time highs here for XRP. Yo, guys, that was my chart update here. If you want to copy the price levels for XRP, as I said, for now, based on the today's price, this line here is about $1.31. And most important, it's not the single price levels here, it's the trend channel patterns which we had, and you can see that we have overall a very bullish support, and this was just here a correction trend channel, but is still active, guys. And that's my opinion, that the market makers will try to bring the price here back below $1.32 and lower. If you want to copy these price levels here, everything what you see is based on TradingView. This is the chart program which I use since many years. I use that for all my trades and for all my videos. If you also want to get TradingView, guys, I can offer you here a discount link. Now we're talking about a discount link, guys. You will get a $15 discount here when you use my discount link. When you click also here on the info icon in the corner, then you get access to this link, and I recommend the premium tier. This is good for beginners and advanced traders. Yeah, guys, up to you if you want to check these hot stocks or not. I can just recommend also to have your eye on trading. Diversification is very good in trading. So if you want to see that, guys, feel free to click this content, and I wish you a great start in the new week. Don't forget, we have next week a bank holiday, Thanksgiving, so the stock market is closed on Thursday, even if crypto is trading 24/7, of course, but you could not expect maybe too much volatility in crypto on Thursday next week. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this content, if you don't want to miss any updates, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I thank you for your support and see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.